Taiwan's police forces are being shifted to focus on COVID-19 prevention.
Interior Minister Xu Guoyong said that national-level police were now taking up tasks like tracking down quarantine violators. To free up manpower, the National Police Agency has suspended the sobriety checkpoints that it used to run up to twice a month across Taiwan.
Minister Xu stressed that this policy affects national police only. He said local police departments will continue running their sobriety checkpoints to keep roads safe.
Drivers pull over and blow into the breathalyzer. It's a routine procedure, but COVID-19 has raised concerns that the checkpoints could be a vector for disease. New Power Party lawmaker Chen Jiaohua put the question to the Interior Minister.
When police officers conduct breathalyzer tests, drivers blow air out and the breath gets on police officers' hands. The reality is that the risk is extremely scary for police officers. The officers are not using those breathalyzer ones now due to concerns over infection. We've temporarily suspended our national sobriety tests. Of course, local police will still conduct DUI checks at necessary times.
The minister's words sparked controversy, as some thought he meant all sobriety tests in Taiwan had come to an end. On Friday, he clarified that this was not the case.
Police officers all over Taiwan are extremely busy at this time. When running simultaneous DUI checkpoints, the entire police force has to get involved. That affects their epidemic prevention work. For example, our police have to look for quarantine people who go missing. That is the most important task now.
He stressed that the twice-monthly national sobriety checkpoints were suspended due to a personnel shortage. He also said that local police were still running their sobriety checkpoints 6 or 10 times a month, as usual.
We have zero tolerance for drunk driving. We want zero weak links in disease prevention. Counties and cities operate 6, 8, or 10 sobriety checkpoints each month. Those have not been suspended. They will continue on with standards as rigorous as before. The central government runs a maximum of 2 simultaneous national checkpoints a month. Those will be suspended. There's zero tolerance for drunk driving. Neither the central government nor local governments will compromise on that. Although the epidemic situation is urgent, sobriety tests will continue. We hope that people won't be reckless.
To quell the controversy, Premier Su reiterated that Taiwan, at all levels of government, had a zero-tolerance policy against drunk driving.